10 out of 10. That's how many Adani Group stocks ended in the red today. For investors who had picked up Adani stocks on the cheap after Hindenburg allegations, could this be the start of another nightmarish fall? My colleague Sakshi Batra spoke to market analyst Vinit Bolinjkar about what investors should expect.
Mr. Bolinjkar, I wanted to understand from you, how are you really looking at the fresh allegations made by OCCRP from a stock market standpoint, and should investors be really concerned?
And any shareholder activist could have presented the data that they had to the Indian courts, right? And so far the Indian courts have given a clean chit. Now you have another body which is called the OCCRP, which is related to the same person, that is George Soros, okay, coming in and making allegations. Why are they not submitting the proof to the agencies out here or the regulators? So just merely making public allegations in media does not really hold light. And if you go to see from the business point of view or the promoter's point of view, they have been under scrutiny for the last 7-8 months from every quarter, from the regulators, from the tax regulators, from international agencies, from credit rating agencies, and all have affirmed that the business fundamentals are absolutely sound. And if you look at the debt to EBITDA basis, it's only 2.5 to 3. So, within 3 years, they can just their massive debt can be simply paid off surely from the business profits that are run. So we do not find too much merit in what is being said. Having said that, what happens is that George Soros has such a big clout in the international investing market that even the hunky-dory who have lost a lot of money, in the previous rout of the Adani stocks would want to stay away. So my advice to all investors is that until we don't get a clean chit absolutely from the Supreme Court of India, don't venture into these stocks. You may buy them a little bit higher, but just be out of this mess as far as my advice is concerned.
So, as far as the allegations are concerned, let me ask you, if you've read through some of the report and some of the, allegations that they've made, are these the same allegations made previously in the Hindenburg research report? Is there anything new to the allegations that they've added?
So, they just made allegations last time. Now they've given us some kind of a path of the trail of the money. So, if they have such convoluted details available with them, why don't you produce the documentary evidence in the court when it went to the courts of India, right? It was not bought, it was not substantiated, you had an ample time window to do it, they've not done it. So, you can clearly make out from this that it is more motivated from external factors, and, if you want to join the dots, I can do it for you. The Haifa port, when the Adanis won, this string of events started. And recently, after Prime Minister Modi had gone to Greece, and Adani, there were talks in the market that he would become another 3 ports, right? So again, these news articles have started to come out. So, there is some kind of a correlation with all this that is happening. And that is really, really discouraging for shareholders of not only the Adani, but also for the Indians at large.